What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little POV late night drive in the Mustang. The reason why we're going to be doing this drive is because it's going to be probably like one of the last times I get to drive it for like the next, 2 weeks, I'm going to say, because we're about to have another freaking blizzard. Literally, all the snow already melted. The weather's been nice. I mean, the weather's pretty nice tonight. It's probably like 40 degrees. In winter, that's pretty good. So, compared to what we've been having, I can't complain. But, without further ado, let's get a cold start on the Mustang. Because this thing has been sitting all day. It's been sitting for like two days. So, let's get a nasty cold start. That thing sounds crazy. My neighbors definitely want to kill me right now. I'm not gonna lie. I can't blame them. Alright. Luckily it's quieting down, so we're good on that. Another POV drive. Thank you guys for all the support on my last video. Video did really well at that Cars and Coffee for my birthday. Thank you for all the birthday wishes and everything. Once again, I am officially Unk. Even though I'm only 22. I definitely look like Unk. I will say that. I don't get to drive this car as often as I want to. Because one, the weather is just terrible. And two, like, every time I get to drive it, it's like after work or something. Like, I'm just getting home from work now. And it's about to be 1 in the morning. And obviously I had to like get myself ready for the night and put my clothes away and take a shower and stuff like that. I just never really have time, or I'm just tired and just want to go to sleep and just relax. But today I was like, you know what, I'm probably not going to drive this car for a while, especially because we're supposed to be getting, I think it's between 13 and 20 inches of snow, which sounds freaking insane. It's literally a blizzard, and I thought what we had last time was enough. Like, it was a whole bunch of snow. I think it was like 11 to 12 inches, which was a lot for us already, because honestly there's still some snow that still hasn't even completely melted. As you can see over here, like, I don't know what we gonna do, because this city was in shambles. I mean, it just started to really melt and the streets are finally like cleared up and clear, but shoot, I couldn't park nowhere. All the parking spots were filled with snow. Freaking the roads are still filled with snow and slush and nastiness. But I'm hoping we're more prepared this time. That's my my hope. And honestly, I'm cooked, because my car cover actually got broken because of the last snowstorm. It's kind of my fault though, I'm not gonna lie. Trying to get the car out of the snow and out the snow spot, like probably like a week or two later, and me just being dumb, the car cover actually got caught under the wheel, and while I was driving the car out, I didn't notice I was spinning my wheels with a car cover. So yeah, my car cover is absolutely cooked, let's say. The GR Corolla, yes sir. It looks nice. I ain't gonna lie, there's a whole bunch of food trucks and people outside. It's a Saturday night. People trying to get their last bit of fun in before this blizzard, as you can clearly see. People are not playing. I mean, this is New York. That's how people are. They're out any time of the week, any time, any day. Guys, I'm actually a little bit upset because I have a new mod for the car, but I can't install it because of the weather now. It's literally impeding me from making more content and doing things. I mean, that's not the only thing that's gonna be new to the car, but I do have some things that I am cooking up. How soon? Honestly, I don't know yet. But, oh, they're shooting a music video. I wonder who it is. But how soon? I don't know, because it is a little bit pricey, but it's going to be super worth it when it's done. And just trust me, guys. I wanted to do it probably like next month, but I don't know yet. Just going to let God decide at the pace we do things. At the same time, I just want to enjoy the car for what it is. Don't want to rush the build. I want to enjoy the car in stages, you know, and just have fun with it. I mean, something I definitely do need once the weather's actually good is a good set of tires, because one, these tires are way too skinny, and two, I'm on stock power and they still break loose on me, so I can imagine what's gonna happen when I make more power. So definitely gotta get that situated ASAP. These roads suck so bad. Honestly, I really just can't wait for the summer to be here. I'm just super happy because the car scene is actually looking pretty decent this year. There's been a lot of meets, there's a lot of events that are going on. Like Impact is coming up. They actually have 2 events. They have one in May and they have one in August, which is the regular annual Impact is always in August. But they have a new event that's in May. It's road racing and track events. And I am 99% sure that I am going. Which one am I going to do? I don't know yet. I mean, I'm thinking about doing the track event. Because I want to learn how to really drive this car properly. Like, because, I mean, the road racing event, I mean, don't get me wrong, that sounds fun. But tracking this car has a track mode for a reason, but also has a drag mode for a reason. But on the track, you get to kind of enjoy a little bit of both. I mean, still with other people, you're learning your car. There's definitely going to be some type of straightaway on the track, so you can definitely floor it and feel the power. But by May, I definitely need some tires. That's definitely what that means, because shoot, these tires ain't going to cut it. Definitely not on no track. Got this X3M comp trying to do something. We need a straightaway. These roads are too curvy. Yeah, the fact that I'm really keeping up is the fuck out of me. Honestly, I feel like I could have passed him. I don't know. Damn. Alright guys, it's already snowing. You can already see what the deal is. Got a rear-wheel drive Mustang in the snow. There's no parking, so you know what we gotta do. It's a little bit sketchy, and I have been sliding and fishtailing all over the place, but it's controllable so far. Snow is not too horrible yet, but I have to go drop my car off so that it is somewhat safe. I didn't even end off the video last night. I was supposed to race that X3M. I actually was racing it before I started filming that last clip, but I couldn't get any good footage because there's no straightaways. But I was actually like door to door to the X3M, which is pretty crazy. And honestly, I wasn't even like going that crazy because the roads were still kind of sketchy. I know I shouldn't probably be driving as fast as I am, but you know. And right now we're probably gonna slide this turn. See, you just kicked out. See, we Gucci. Ooh. Definitely trying to like kick out on this as much as possible. Like even from this, I'm on summer tires. Couldn't even find snow tires in my wheel size at all. So that's why we're still on summer tires. I don't know if they're summer tires or just all seasons, to be honest. Whatever the dealers put on it. I kind of want to do like a little spin class in the car, but I don't know. Ooh, she really kicked out that time. Holy shit. That was definitely a mix of just like slush. Honestly, I'm not gonna go this way because I'm literally sliding on. I didn't even put gas. Oh, I'm literally sliding. Look at this. This is insane. The roads are not even salted or nothing. I gotta be careful. Honestly, it was getting to a point where I didn't think it was gonna snow and I thought we were in the clear, but mindset has definitely changed on that. I tell you that for sure. Shoot. I hope you guys are staying safe during the storm. Don't do stupid shit like I am. I mean, I'm doing this for a reason. I'm trying to get content for you guys, and I'm trying to keep my car parked and safe and stuff. But these are times where I wish I had a daily and a garage. But I'll tell you that for sure. Bomba class. I kind of want to do one spin class, but well, I gotta go. I kind of gotta go up a hill, and I don't know. Bomba class. And that's how we end up sideways. But yep, that's my answer right there. We're done. Going to park this for the day, and we're staying like that. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you, and thank you for watching.